Hey guys, it's Kevin with Car Speed. Today we got a very special treat for you. I have to go and get a helmet because I'm going to be racing in the Texas Mile at the end of October. And fortunately for me, we have a Simpson factory only 15 miles from my house. So we're going to go down there and we're going to meet with the helmet gurus, and I'm going to show you how to measure your head and how to choose the right helmet. Let's take a look at the helmets that I own now. This was my very first helmet. I think I bought this at a garage sale for $5. It looks like it has a riot shield on the front. And funny or oddly enough, I actually wore this helmet the first time I went out to get gas during the pandemic. But it is probably appropriate for a moped maybe. And I think the rules for the Texas Mile are a little bit more strict than that, so they wouldn't accept that. Let's take a look at the second helmet. So this is the helmet that I was using for drag racing. This is a standard motorcycle helmet by Bell. It looks like it has a certified 2006. The Texas Mile would not allow us to use a motorcycle helmet. It has to be an SA 2015 or an SA 2020 or better helmet. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and get the appropriate helmet. That way, if we're in an accident, you know, we may be able to save our brain. But before we do that, we're going to install a part really quickly on the 74 Corvette that I got in the mail. So when I bought this car, the interior was in really good condition. All the gauges worked. Everything was pretty much intact and as it should be. But it was missing this one part, which is the little knob for the lock. So I bought this at Eckler's. It was all of $12.99. And I'm pretty sure we just slide it on there. Find the right fitting. Oh. There we go. All right, good deal. We're on our way. We're at the Simpson helmet making factory. I'm so excited. You know, I don't know whether you guys know this or not, but when I was 26, a helmet saved my life. I was in a motorcycle accident, and that's how I lost my leg. And I've been wanting to tell this story since I started the channel, but I'm waiting until I have enough subscribers that I can, you know, tell the story and have enough people see it that maybe it'll do some good. And so if you're interested in hearing how I lost my leg, feel free to subscribe. And we're going to tell that story soon because it's one that should be told. And it highlights the importance of wearing a helmet. But anyways, we're at the Simpson place. I'm so excited. Let's go in and talk with them about my new helmet. Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, I ordered a helmet online, and it occurred to me that I should probably come in and get my head measured since you guys are so close, because I live, you know, real close by.
Okay.
Is that okay? Can you help me measure my head?
Yes.
It's a carbon fiber one. Beautiful. Got the shoulder restraints. We got more motorcycle helmets over here. And they got racing suits. Racing seats. And then we got our gloves. Now the Texas Smile does require an SM style glove, so gonna have to buy some racing gloves. And then they got racing shoes and some cool custom helmets. Just a cool place to visit. Got a 5-point harnesses and a dog named Bandit. Okay, so the way that you measure is you measure 1/4 inch above the eyebrow and around the head and over the top, not on top of the ears, but over the ears, around the widest part of your head. And so that's how you measure for the helmet to make sure you're getting the right size helmet, because it is important. Okay, so when we measured, I came out to 21 3/4, and I opted to go a little bit one size larger than the actual sizing guide because there are variances in each specific design of helmet. And this one feels pretty tight, and it's not moving around on me, and it's also gives me enough room to put my glasses on. And so, but I'm getting the blue one to match the Hellcat. This one's a red one, so we'll show you that one once I get it. Okay, so we found out there's actually, these little tags on the back do actually mean something. The DOT is for just recreational use, you know, like if you're riding a motorcycle down the street, that's what that's for. Now, there's also DOT Snell. So this is a motorcycle helmet. Snell is the certifying agency, and they have different classifications. So this one's DOT, but it's also Snell. And this one's going to be a Snell M, whereas the one for the car is going to be a Snell SA, and they go through certification, recertification every 5 years. So there's the Texas Smile that I'm competing allows 2015 or 2020 certification. And so the helmet that I'm getting, the Bandit 3, which is like this one right here, is going to be the 2020 certification. And so it should allow me to use it in future events for some time to come, because they're still allowing 2015, and that was, you know, what, 8 years ago. And so I think I'm gonna be okay. But they certainly have some really interesting helmets around here, over here, and they look to be of really good quality. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this visit to Simpson, and make sure you subscribe, because we're going to go out and do the Texas Mile, and we're looking forward to possibly, you know, even topping 170 miles an hour. So it's going to be exciting. See you guys next time.